You ready to start, Abby? Huh? Okay, I want you to jump on V. Now jump on J. Now jump on Y. Good. How about W? Jump on W. Good. How about O? Good. How about K? Yeah? Good job. How about G? Jump on G. No, now I want you to jump on G. Good. How about T? Yeah, find the T. How about H? Jump on H. Good girl. And then on B. Oops, that's a P. Is it a P? Where's the B? There you go. How about L? Abby, let's follow the rules. Stand on L, please. L, yes. L, good. How about U? U. How about sh? Sh. Find the sh. Where is it? Shh, good job. How about R? There you go. Small R, yes. Good. How about S? Good job. How about Ch? For Cheerios. Bravo, Abby. Now you get some Cheerios. Dad is gonna give you Cheerios. Ch is for Cheerios. Thank you. Good job.